Do you feel like you're not improving as a day trader? No matter what indicators you use or strategies you follow, you still struggle to be profitable on a consistent basis. Well, you are probably making at least one of these 7 day trading mistakes. When it comes to trading, it's of course very important to know what to do, but it is at least as important to know what not to do. So now guys, let's take a look at what these deadly mistakes are and exactly how to avoid them. Alright, so to show you guys the first mistake, I actually want to open up an indicator here in TradingView. So we want to go up here to the indicators tab and we want to search for super trend right here. And as you can see, we have many different super trend indicators, but the indicator I do want to open is the first one here, simply called super trend, and is created by TradingView. Now when we have the indicator on the chart, I want to do a very quick change here to the settings. So we go up here to the settings tab, the ATR length I do want to change to 14, we keep the factor at 3, nothing special here, and now we press OK. So as you guys can see, this is a simple indicator that produces buy and sell signals in the market. But if you don't know exactly how to use the buy and sell signals, such as what signals to take and what signals to avoid, this can lead to unnecessary and big losses. So let's say you enter a long position at this buy signal right here without no real plan. The trade starts off good here and goes up a bit, but then the price immediately starts to reverse. If you had no real plan and saw the price going below your entry point, you might have exited the trade right here and already taken a loss. That's why it's very important that you have a strict plan before you enter the trade. Perhaps your plan is to set the stop loss below the most recent low, and perhaps you are using a fixed risk to reward ratio. You might use additional indicators such as a moving average, let's say a 200 length exponential moving average, and you might only take buy signals when the price is actually above the moving average. So mistake number 1 is not having a trading plan. Mistake number 2 is something that can really destroy trading accounts. Let's take a look at this Bitcoin chart right here. As you can see, here on the chart we have identified a very clear support level. And on this candle right here, we saw a bullish hammer candle coming in at a support level. Let's say that you buy this bullish signal, you set your stop loss below the lowest point of the hammer, and you use a fixed risk to reward ratio of 2. But then we see the price starting to go down and we see a strong drop below your stop loss level. A very common mistake is to try to justify to hold on to this position even though it went below your stop loss. So you may, for example, look left here and look for some potential levels. You might say, look, we have a clear level right here that acted previously as resistance. So surely, guys, surely we should see some bounce coming in right here. Let's hold on to our position and perhaps we even add some more at this potential support in order to make back the money we lost. But as you can see, guys, the price just continues to fall here, fall steep, and this can lead to deadly losses and big damage to your trading account. The third mistake is something that can happen if you actually win too much as a beginner.
What?
Winning too much early on as a trader can lead to overconfidence.
Your overconfidence is your weakness.
And this in turn can lead to taking on way too much risk and using too much leverage. Let's say that you start by using a leverage of 5x. Meaning that for every percent the price goes up, you gain 5%, and for every percent the price goes down, you lose 5%. And if you have a massive winning streak using 5x leverage, it can be tempting to increase the leverage even more, thinking you can make even more money using this strategy. You might be so confident that you up the leverage to, for example, 50x, thinking that the Lamborghini is very near, but the next trade the price drops 2% and you lost everything you invested, perhaps taking out all gains you made from your winning streak or even more. The fourth mistake is to not truly understand support and resistance. Mastering support and resistance is one of the most important skills you can learn as a trader, and it's useful no matter what indicator or strategy you use. To master support and resistance, I highly recommend all of you to watch this video I made here on YouTube. Mistake number 5 is bad risk management. A trader without risk management is like a football player without legs. It's simply something you can't do without. Risk management include things such as, always setting a stop loss, always having a profit target. But it's also about things such as not risking too much capital on a single trade, not backtesting and forward testing your strategies, not having a plan for what to do when you see large overnight moves, and so on and so on. Mistake number 6 is all about not having the right tools to trade. As you guys know, if you have been following the channel for a while, I use TradingView for all my technical analysis. TradingView is an amazing platform for beginners and advanced traders alike. And one thing I really do like about TradingView is that it has a very good free plan. And that's why I recommend all traders starting off to use the free plan here for TradingView. The free plan has many tools. However, if you have been trading for a while and feel like you are not improving, it might be time to actually upgrade your plan to be able to do a more sophisticated analysis. As an example, if you go from the free plan to the essential plan, you will be able to use 5 indicators per chart instead of 2. That's a pretty big jump, and many trading strategies requires more than 2 indicators. You will also have access to many more indicators that are not available on the free plans. So if you guys want to try out any of the TradingView plans for free for 30 days, and also get a $15 bonus towards your new plan, I will make sure to leave a link down below, both in the description and the top comment. The final mistake is to not continuously educating yourself. The markets are always changing, and so are the technical analysis tools and strategies. So I highly recommend that you continue to learn and improve as a trader. I have a massive educational trading playlist here on YouTube, where I hope you will find lots of value for free.